Welcome. Today we're addressing a common issue many users face when trying to install the ESign app on their iPhones and iPads. Let's dive into what you need to know. Unable to install typically means the app could not be downloaded or installed successfully. But fear not, we're here to solve this for you. There are several common reasons why your installation may fail, including compatibility issues, internet problems, and expired certificates. Let's explore these more closely. With the updated methods, the certification process is now more streamlined. We'll guide you step by step through obtaining his new certificate. Follow along as we guide you through the installation process using the new certification. It's easier than you think. If you encounter any errors, don't worry. Here are some troubleshooting tips to help you get back on track. Once installed, it's good practice to verify that everything works properly. Here's how you can check your installation. We've compiled some frequently asked questions regarding ESign downloads. Let's take a look at the most common inquiries. To ensure future installations go smoothly, here are some best practices you can follow. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this guide helpful. Get started with ESign today and simplify your digital signing process.